Hello everyone, welcome to SSBR Education. This is Srivalli. Today I am going to explain about Integers 7th class Mathematics Part 3. So in 7th class Mathematics textbook, I am going to explain about first chapter Integers, and in this episode I am going to explain about exercise 3.1. First chapter exercise 3.1. So this is the part 3. In last two episodes I was explained about exercise 1 and 2. So please watch that episodes before seeing this. So before going to start the class, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. So I'm going to start the exercise. So first one, represent the following subtractions on the number line. This is the subtraction. First one, 7 minus 2. We know by easy mathematical calculations, we can say 7 minus 2 is 5. But we should represent on that number line. So, see now. First one, 7 minus 2. By calculations, we can say that 7 minus 2 is 5. We know that. But we should represent on the number line. If we subtract on 7 minus 5, we subtract 7 minus 2, what we will get? 5. If we subtract 7 minus 5, we will get 2. So, in this manner, I am going to do that. I am drawing a line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I am taking 8 numbers on the number line. So 7 minus 2. From 0 to 7 I am jumping. From 0 to 7 I am jumping to 7. So they are subtract minus 2 from the 7. Subtract minus 2 from 7. So I am jumping 7 to 5 because if we subtract 7 minus 2, we will get 5. 2 numbers I am coming left side. 1 and 2. 2 numbers I am coming left side. I am jumping backward. Minus 2 plus 7 minus 2. So we are getting plus 5. From 0 to 7, I drawn an arrow. From that, I am jumping backward. 2 numbers I am jumping backward. 7 and 6. If I jump backward 2 steps, I am getting 5. So 7 minus 2 equal to plus 5. We are getting plus 5. So we completed first problem successfully. So I am coming to second one. 8 minus 7. So the question is, subtract 8 from minus 7. Please listen again. From 8, subtract minus 7. See here, they asked minus and minus 7. Minus 7 is the integer, negative integer. And they said subtract positive integer from negative integer. This is the positive integer. Subtraction. Subtract negative integer. So 8 minus, from minus 7, subtract 8. So I am doing this. I am taking a line. Before solving this, 8 minus 7 they given. So minus into minus, we will get 7. What we will get? 7. Minus into minus, we will get 7. Positive 7, we are not getting negative 7. I am multiplying these two. Minus into minus, we know that minus into minus 7. We know that. So I am multiplying these two. Minus into minus plus 7. So see this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So first I am jumping from 0 to 8. 0 to 8. We multiplied minus into minus. That time we got plus 7. So we have positive, not in negative. So I am jumping from this 8 to 7 numbers front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers I am jumping frontwards because there is in positive. There is in positive, not in negative. If there is in negative, that time we will jump backward. So 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7 is 15. So we completed second row also successfully. So please note this in your notebook. So I am going to do third problem. 3 minus 7. So see this problem. Here one positive number and one negative number. But negative is totally big and positive is totally small. Here 3. I am taking a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 minus 1. Left side of the origin is totally negative numbers. Left side of the origin is totally negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So here left side of the origin is minus 5 numbers are there. Right side of the origin another 5 numbers, but left side is totally negative, right side is totally positive. So they given plus 3. First one they given positive integer. So I am jumping from 0 to 3. They said minus 7. Subtract plus 3. Subtract minus 7 from plus 3. So I am jumping backward to 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 3 onwards, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am getting minus 4. Minus 7 plus 3. See here, if we subtract 7 minus 3, we will get 4 plus 4. If we subtract minus 7 plus 3, or else write this question as it is, plus 3 minus 7. So we will get minus 4. See here, when the big number having positive integer, the answer also in positive. When big number having negative integer, I mean negative symbol, the answer also having negative symbol. So see here, when the number is in positive, when the big number is in positive, that time the answer also being positive. When the big number in negative, the answer also in negative. So in this manner we can solve the problems. So I am getting minus 4. So we are completed successfully third problem too. So please note these problems in your notebook. So I am doing fourth problem. Fourth problem. 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14. They said subtract 14 numbers from 15. I am taking a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I completed 15 numbers. I represent 15 numbers on the number line. So first one, I am jumping 0 to 15. 0 to 15. So they said from 15 subtract 14. I am coming backward 14 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From 15, I am coming backward 14 numbers. Minus 14 plus 15. So I am getting 1. See here, 1. I am subtracting minus 14 from 15. I am subtracting minus 14 from 15 means subtracting 14 numbers from 15. So I am getting for 15 minus 14, I am getting 1. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So by this we can say that 15 minus 14 is 1. By easy calculation also we can do that problem. But they said represent on the number line. By that manner we can do this. So up to 4 problems we completed. Now I am doing 5th problem. 5th. 5 minus 8. See here, minus into minus plus. So 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. So I am doing now on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm jumping 0 to 8. It is 7. So they said add 5. If we jump 0 to 5, we are adding 8 numbers. If we jump 0 to 8, we will add 5 numbers. Any chance. Okay, for your convenience, I am taking 0 to 5. If we add 8 plus 5, we will get 13. So 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am jumping 5 to 8 numbers forward. So plus 8 plus 5. So we are getting 13. Now we are coming to sixth problem. -2 minus -1. This problem is totally different from last 5 problems. So minus into minus plus, -2 plus 1, or else plus 2 minus 1. How? We will do 2 problems are +2 minus 1. If we multiplied both of these, we will get +2. If we multiplied both of these, we will get +1. So we will do 2 problems. So first one I am doing -2 plus 1. I am taking a number line. I am representing 0 first on the number line. 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3. It is -2. So I am taking first 0 to -2. I am jumping 0 to -2. I am going backward, means left of origin. -2. They said again +1. So -2 plus 1. Jumping again backward. +1. So I am getting -1. So I am doing this problem too. If we did -2 plus 1, we are getting -1. So if I am jumping 2 -1 plus 2 -1 plus 2 -1, we are getting +1. So see here, when the big number is having negative symbol, the answer also having negative symbol. When if big number having positive symbol, the answer also having positive symbol. So by this we can say that when the symbol is depends upon the big number. So by this we can conclude that symbols will be depends upon the big number and small number. And also answer also. It is negative or positive, but it depends upon the big number and small number. So by this we can say that -2 plus 1 or +2 minus 1. But according to problem, -2 subtract from -1. They said subtract -2 from -1. So we completed 6 problems successfully. So I'm taking this time green color. So second bit, we are completed first bit successfully. We completed first bit successfully. So we are going to second bit. In exercise 3, they said compute the following. Here compute means calculate. Compute means calculate. So first one is 17 minus 14. They said please read the question thoroughly. Compute the following means calculate the following. They didn't say represent the following on the number line like first bit they didn't say, but you should calculate on your mind, in your mind. So 17 minus 14. So we know that minus into minus plus. So minus into minus plus 14. 17 plus 14. How much? 31. 17 plus 14 is 31. So we completed first one. Second one, 13 minus 8. So subtract minus 8 from 13. We know minus into minus plus 13 plus 8 is how much? Say for me. 21. 13 plus 8 is 21. So third one, 19 minus 5. So the letters was totally different from these letters. Please understand my problem. So 19 minus 5. 19 plus 5 equal to, we know that 20 plus 5 is 25, but they given 19 plus 5. See the difference. 19 plus 5 is, we know that 19 plus 5 is 24. If 20 plus 5, 25. What is the difference between 19 and 20? What is the difference between 19 and 20? Only minus 1. By one number difference, the answer was totally changing here. So if I add 20 plus 5, I am getting 25. But the difference is between 20 and 19 is 1. So I am subtracting 25 minus 1. I am getting 24. So I am taking here all round. So fourth one, 15 minus 28. So it is totally big. You are thinking 15 minus 28. Here which is the big number? 28 is the big number. For 28 what is the symbol? Minus. We can write like this also. 15 minus plus 28. So minus into plus, we know that minus 15 minus 28. What is the answer? 13. We know that. But for big number having negative symbol, so we will get the answer in negative only. So 15 minus 28 is 13. So we completed 4 problems now, till now. Fifth one, 25 minus 33. So 25 is the big number or 33 is big number? We will say 33 is big number. For 33 symbol is in negative. So for us answer also will get in negative form only. So 33 minus 25 we know minus 8. But for big number having negative symbol. So we will get minus 8. Minus 8. Sixth one, 80 minus 50. Minus into minus plus. So 80 plus 50. 80 plus 50. 8 plus 5 we know that 8 plus 5 is 13. So here 0 there. I am adding 0 here. 130. 18 plus 50, 130. And we completed till now 6 problems. So I am writing 7th problem here. 7th problem. Please note the number 7th problem. 150 minus 75. 150 minus 75. So how much 150 minus 75? Here 150 is the big number, 75 is the small number. For big number, positive symbol there. So the answer also will come in positive. So the answer is 75. 150 minus 75, 75. For big number, positive symbol there. So the answer will be in positive. 8th problem. 32 minus 18. Minus into minus plus. It is the small equation in algebra. 0, 5. The answer is 15. 32 plus 18 is 50. So, see this totally. We completed 8 problems successfully. So, we are doing now last third bit in exercise 3. Last third bit in exercise 3. In this problem, you should understand the question thoroughly. You should read the question thoroughly and you should understand. Because the question is totally different. If we didn't understand the question perfectly, the answer is also will come, the answer will not come perfectly. Third one, read the question. Express minus 6 as the sum of a negative integer and a whole number. Minus 6. They said express minus 6. If we did addition, sum means they did sum means addition. Sum means addition. If we add a negative number and a whole number, if we add a negative integer and a whole number, whole numbers are nothing but positive integers. We know that. If we add a negative integer and a whole number, that time we should get minus 6. For example, minus 3 plus 9. Here negative number and this is positive number. Plus 9 is nothing but whole number. We can say plus 9 as whole number. Minus 3 plus 9. If we had negative integer and whole number, we are getting minus 6. In that manner, we should express some words. We should write some words. So, first one. Solution. Zero plus 6 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 7 minus 2 plus 8 minus 3 plus 9 minus 4 plus 10 minus 4 plus 10 minus 5 plus 11 minus 6 plus 12 minus 7 plus 13. So here we getting one negative number, one positive. So in this manner we can solve the problem. They said the sum of negative integer and a whole number. When we did a negative integer and a whole number sum, when we add negative integer and a whole number, that time we should get minus 6. If we did like this, we will get minus 6, but it is not 0 plus 6 will get in positive. So don't count this. Don't count this, because if we had this, we will get positive. But they asked in negative form, minus 1 plus 7. If we did all these, we will get plus 6. If we add this, we will get plus 6. Why first only I said means, they said negative. You will get one idea about this. Why I am saying like this means, here all numbers is in big form, all whole numbers. That time how you will get minus 6? For that purpose I said this problem. So don't confuse. Now I will say how negative minus 6 will get. So minus 6 plus 0, minus 7 plus 1, minus 8 plus 2, minus 9 plus 3, minus 10 plus 4, minus 11 plus 5. So for all big numbers having negative symbol, that time we will get minus 6. But here all big numbers having positive, but the answer will be in positive. Don't confuse. So for that purpose I said this. So now we completed all problems successfully. So all problems means exercise 3.1 we completed successfully. In part 2, and part 2 and part 1 I explained about exercise 1 and exercise 2. That was in first chapter, integers. So we completed exercise 3 in successfully. In part 4, I will explain about exercise 4. So before concluding this episode, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. Thank you.